Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of retro gaming with the Gamma iOS game emulator for PS1 games. So, let's get started. This powerful emulator allows you to play your favorite PS1 games right on your iOS device. It's like having a PlayStation in your pocket. You can install it via App Store. After installing the emulator, you need to add the PS1 BIOS files in the Gamma emulator as well, so that you won't get any errors while adding the PS1 games in the emulator. For that, simply download the BIOS files and then open Gamma emulator, then open Settings, then hit on Gamma and add BIOS files in it.
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins.
Now download any PS1 game you want to play. Most of the game's ROMs comes in zip files, so first of all you need to unzip the game's ROM.
Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Simply open the game's ROM with any zip extractor app, and then simply unzip the game's ROM via zip extractor app. It will take a little while to extract the game's ROMs because most of the PS1 games are having larger files. Now open the unzip game folder. There you will get the .bin ROM of the game. Simply open the .bin ROM via Gamma emulator. Then it will add the game ROM direct into the emulator. That's it. Now our PS1 game is added in the Gamma emulator. Now you can simply hit the game to start playing the game ... That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.